India Today now gets you the inside track on Karnataka Chief Minister's political future. Sources reveal that there are negotiations taking place still on the terms of Yediyurappa's resignation. Yediyurappa has told the Prime Minister yesterday, according to our sources, that he's ready to follow all directions that could be given, and has also said, and I quote here, will step down if asked to and all the conditions met. Now remember, there are some primary conditions that have been put by B.S. Yediyurappa, including a respectable name as a replacement, and also importantly that his sons must be placed at a central level, at a position. Let me now take you to Rahul Srivastava, National Affairs Editor. Rahul, one, it wouldn't be easy really for the BJP to find a replacement for B.S. Yediyurappa, but importantly, from what you're telling us and your sources, that there is going to be a definite future likely for his sons in the party.
Pooja, basically, the problem for the BJP is that it does not need to find a replacement for Yediyurappa as a leader. Primarily, it needs to find a solid replacement as far as one of the past groups and voters in Karnataka, the Lingayats, are concerned. As long as Yediyurappa is backed by the Lingayats and the Lingayats are with the BJP, the Yediyurappa remains in a strong position, and that is why the BJP has to find either a new caste combination or has to keep Yediyurappa happy, even if any other person is appointed as a chief minister. Say, for example, there are names of Mr. Prahlad Joshi and others being taken. But if it is done at crossroads with Yediyurappa, means he is not happy with it, and he goes out and says that the BJP cannot effect the change. And that is why when he met the Prime Minister, the indication is that the Prime Minister, after speaking to the Prime Minister, he expressed that he is ready to resign, step down and step aside, and he will stay with the BJP if his conditions are met. Now, what are his conditions? One of the strongest conditions is that his two sons should be suitably accommodated at the central level. Now, that suitable accommodation, will it be in the party level or in the government?
Okay.
One will have to wait and see, because two sons of a chief minister cannot be accommodated in the Council of Ministers.
Yes. Rahul, I request you to, if possible, please stay on with me. That's Rahul Srivastava telling us about the big scoop within the BJP Karnataka as well. I'm also now joined by Siddharth Zurabi, the managing editor of Business Today. Now, it's very interesting, Siddharth, with these developments coming in, because this will have a lot to do with regard to not just the future of politics there in Karnataka for BJP, but the politics of the Yediyurappa family.
Well, that's correct. And as Rahul was explaining, if I were to just add some fresh additional perspective on the plan, remember, Shobha Karandlaje's inclusion in the Council of Ministers is being termed as a plan for the larger changes in Karnataka. The BJP's central leadership is absolutely certain that a long-term new generation of political leaders, including administrators, has to be put in place in Karnataka. Now, we may be getting ahead of ourselves by talking about CM probables, but in case the Prime Minister were to decide on a leadership change in Karnataka along with the rest of the party top leadership, then there are two probable names which BJP circles are currently discussing in Delhi.
Okay.
Prahlad Joshi, as well as B.L. Santosh, the top man as far as the BJP party organization, as the General Secretary organization is concerned. However, those dynamics will have to take into account whether Karnataka at this stage of its politics can take a Brahmin face as a chief minister. The BJP has not followed these dynamics in other states, including Maharashtra with Fadnavis, for example. However, a decision will take these complexities into account. And the final point really at this stage is, if this plan, as is being speculated at present, were to go through, expect deep changes within the Karnataka party organization, as well as the new Council of Ministers that a new probable chief minister may decide to put.
Very interesting. So there are definitely names that are being considered, deliberated upon, but importantly, Yediyurappa will not go that easily before there's some future likely set for his two sons as well. Rahul Srivastava, Siddharth Zurabi, thank you very much for all the details.